1. Who is the President of India? Right answer is Ramnath Kovind. Sri Ramnath Kovind is the President of India. Next, who is the Vice President of India? Right answer is M. Venkaiah Naidu. Question number 3. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Right answer is Sri Narendra Modi, and his constituency is in Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Question number 4. Who is the Defence Minister of India? Right answer is Rajnath Singh, and his constituency is in Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh. Question number 5. Who is the Minister of Home Affairs along with the Minister of Cooperation of India? Right answer is Amit Shah, and his constituency is in Gandhinagar. Amit Shah holds two ministries, Home Ministry and Minister of Cooperation. Next, who is the Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs of India? Right answer is Nirmala Sitharaman. Next, who is the Minister of Highways and Road Transport? Right answer is Nitin Jairam Gadkari, and his constituency is in Nagpur. Who is the Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare? Right answer is Narendra Singh Tomar. His constituency is in Morena in Madhya Pradesh. Who is the External Affairs Minister of India? External Affairs or Foreign Minister? Both are same. Right answer is Dr. S. Jaishankar. Next, who is the Tribal Affairs Minister of India? Right answer is Sri Arjun Munda. His constituency is in Khunti. Who is the Minister of Women and Child Development of India? Right answer is Smriti Zubin Irani, and the constituency is in Amethi in Uttar Pradesh. Who is the Minister of Commerce and Industry, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, also the Minister of Textiles? Right answer is Piyush Goyal, and he is Rajya Sabha MP. Who is the Minister of Education, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship? Right answer is Dharmendra Pradhan. Next, who is the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, Coal and Mines? Right answer is Sri Prahlad Joshi, and his constituency is in Dharwad in Karnataka. Who is the Minister of MSB, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises? Right answer is Sri Narayan Datu Rane. Next, who is the Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways along with Ayush, Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy? Right answer is Sarbananda Sonowal. His constituency is in Majuli in Assam. Who is the Minority Affairs Minister of India? Right answer is Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. Who is the Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment of India? Social Justice and Empowerment. Right answer is Dr. Birendra Kumar, and his constituency is in Tikkamgarh. He is a Lok Sabha MP. Who is the Minister of Panchayat Raj and Rural Development of India? Right answer is Giriraj Singh. Next, who is the Minister of Civil Aviation of India? Right answer is Sri Jyotiraditya M. Scindia. Next, who is the Minister of Steel of India? Minister of Steel. Right answer is Ramchandra Prasad Singh. Who is the Minister of Railways along with Electronics, Communications and Information Technology? Right answer is Sri Ashwin Vaishnav. Next, who is the Minister of Food Processing Industries of India? Right answer is Pashupati Kumar Paras, and a constituency is in Hajipur in Bihar. Next, who is the Minister of Jal Shakti? Right answer is Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, and constituency is in Jodhpur. Who is the Minister of Law and Justice? Right answer is Sri Kiran Rijiju, and constituency is in Arunachal West. Next, who is the Minister of Power, New and Renewable Energy? Right answer is R.K. Singh, and his constituency is in Ara in Bihar. Next, who is the Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas along with Housing and Urban Affairs of India? Right answer is Hardeep Singh Puri. Next, who is the Minister of Health and Family Welfare along with the Chemical and Fertilizers of India? Right answer Mansukh L. Mandviya. And constituency is in Palitana in Gujarat. Who is the Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change along with Labour and Employment? Right answer is Bhupendra Yadav. Who is the Minister of Heavy Industries of India? Minister of Heavy Industries. Right answer is Dr. Mahendranath Pandey. And his constituency is in Chandoli in Uttar Pradesh. Who is the Minister of Fisheries, Dairying and Animal Husbandry? Right answer is Purushottam Rupala. Who is the Minister of Culture and Tourism along with the development of Northeastern region of India? Right answer is G. Kishan Reddy. And constituency is in Lok Sabha. He is Lok Sabha MP from Secunderabad. Who is the Minister of Information and Broadcasting along with Youth Affairs and Sports? Right answer is Anurag Singh Thakur. And constituency is in Hamirpur in Himachal Pradesh. Who is the Minister of States with independent charge of Statistics and Program Implementation and Planning? Right answer is Rao Inderjit Singh. His constituency is in Gurugram, Haryana. Remember, Rao Inderjit Singh holds the Minister of Statistics, Program Implementation and Planning with independent charge. And the last one is, who is the Minister of States with independent charge of Science and Technology and Earth Sciences? Right answer is Dr. Jitendra Singh. And his constituency is in Udhampur, Jammu and Kashmir.